Yo, what's up guys? Francis Roman here again. Welcome to my first tutorial ever. Today is gonna be a quick, short tutorial for y'all. I'm gonna be teaching how to make dubstep from your mouth. First of all, maybe you can put your hand like this, a little bit U, a U, mini U, but a bigger U, wider U. Put it in your mouth, slip out your tongue from the middle of this space, like this. When I pull like this, I can create some stuff. Second trick, you can put your tongue out, but slide it to the side and then try to whistle. This is like the normal whistle. Try to put your tongue out. Try to whistle it. You see? Third trick, you can maybe, like the normal whistle. Try to curve your mouth a little bit, your lips. Try to curve it up like this. You see? I try to whistle with it. It's different. So when you combine it all, it is the dubstep.